Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to create a website using ChatGPT, and later on you can host it for free. And I have created a simple website called My Recipe Book, which will give recipes for snacks or dinner. So you can see here my website is working, all the search bar is working. So I have made a simple website, so you can try that using ChatGPT, and you need to install VS Code. If you haven't installed VS Code, please install it. And you really don't require any coding knowledge. You just need a better prompt. So I have given a prompt in description. You can check that, and you can copy that prompt and modify according to your need. So I will give chat this to ChatGPT, and it will give us code. I mentioned that I want code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so that it can be easily executable. So once you done that, open desktop and create a new folder and rename it anything like whatever your website name. So once you done that, open the folder in VS Code, and you just need to create files here. So whatever the ChatGPT giving codes, you need to paste it in these files. So you need to create 3 files: index.html and style.css and script.js. So you can like rename files here. So, and once you done that, copy this code and paste it in these files. And once you done that, you need to make sure that one extension should be installed called live server. So I will tell you how to do that. Go to extension and search for live server and click on that and install it. You don't have to manually update, it will automatically update. Once you need to click on go live, then it will open this website. You just like it is very raw website, so we need to modify this, and you can also modify in directly in code also, like you can add more recipes. So if you don't have coding knowledge, you will use ChatGPT for that. So I will tell ChatGPT to add more recipes, and also how to add images. It will take some time, we need to wait for that. ChatGPT gave half code, so I want full code. So once full code is given, you need to copy that and you need to paste it in script.js. So I will replace it and click on save, and again click on go live. So you can see here more recipes are added, but image is missing, so we need to fix that. Use any image generation tool. I will use Gemini for that, or else you can directly Google search, you can find many images. So create a folder in website folders called images. So you need to paste all your website related images in that folder. So I will just paste this, and you can also rename it according to your file name, and also make sure that both formats like PNG and JPG matches according to your images. So once you done that, we need to click on go live. So it will refresh, and I have added only 2 images, that's why it is showing 2 images. So we need to add similar images, so we'll do that quickly. I will just fast forward this. Meanwhile, I will tell you, like, you need to edit the code, like you need to change the format. By default, ChatGPT will give one format like PNG or JPG. You need to match that image according to your image, and also you need to keep the images in image folder, and if you paste in another folder or another D drive or another location, it will not work. For example, you can see here all the names in the images and codes are different, so I am manually editing this according to whatever the format the image has. Once you done that, click on go live. You can see here website is working and updated. We can add some backgrounds to it using ChatGPT, or else you can directly add in CSS file. So let me add some background like gradient colors. So we will ask again ChatGPT to give me code. So we'll just open ChatGPT, and we need to give prompt like I want this color, like whatever your color you wish. You just need to put that, and it will like again give half code. So you need to tell that give me full code. So scroll down, and again you need to interact with ChatGPT. You just need full code. So wait for the responses. It's taking time because my network is low. So once you done that, you just click on copy, and you need to paste and replace all and paste here. And you can see here color is working, and you can also change your color in CSS file. You can like choose any colors, up to you. Now let's host this website for free on a public server. So just you need to go to netlify.com, and you just need to sign up. If you have already created account, you just need to log in, and you sign with your Gmail account and fill the details like whatever it will ask. You just need to complete the sign up, and you just need to connect your GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub account, please create it. And you can see here the interface. So you need to click on add new project and deploy manually, and you just need to upload the folder like wherever your website files stored. Once you done that, you will get a URL. You just need to copy that and open in a new tab, and you can see here your website is like running publicly. So you can see here domain is different. So if you want to have your name in domain, you need to purchase. So for free plan there are limitations, so for testing purposes we can use free plans, and you can also upgrade if you want. Like if you really want a custom name for your business, you need to add that. If you already have domain, you need to use here also. And now if you want to update your website, you need to go to deploy and click on deploy. If you make any changes, then you need to again drag and drop the folder here. It will update the website. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more amazing contents.